I have to show this to everybody because we also collect Funkos in this house. His name is Leatherface, Texas Chainsaw Massacre, and he carves people. So why don't you tell everybody what you did today without me?
So I just did something and I played with Daddy.
No, what happened is you and Brittany went to Cabelas while I was asleep and spent a lot of money. Not a lot, but they didn't invite me. It was quite a bit. She got a new type of organizer.
This is mine.
A floating shad, Cabelas brand. Zoom, flukes, green pumpkin. Booyah Pawn Magic Spinner and Firebug. This is a KVD square bill. Bayou Tiger. Oh, that's pretty cool coloring. We got a Johnson blade bait. It's pretty neat.
These are for me.
Bass Pro. Grubs, obviously.
Yeah.
What's that? Bluegill, Bass Pro Shop, St. Louis. Bill Lewis Rattle Trap. This is a 4th ounce. That's perfect. Sunrise Perch. Bluegill Flash. Zoom Flukes.
I just told you. I give it.
Straight King Red Eye Shad. Pro Blue. That's actually pretty neat. Those are floating jig heads.
Floating jig heads. What's this?
I'll show them and I'll explain it. That's a football jig.
Football jig.
Green pumpkin purple.
Pumpkin purple.
Say yum dingers.
Young diggers.
Sugar plum.
Sugar plum.
We got there. Cabelas. Grubs. Grubs. What's it? More grubs? Cabelas grubs. Oh no, those are minnows. That's actually a dummy microphone.
You can give them to me. And I can.
Wonker Hut Pocket Frog.
No, you can give them to me.
Bleeding bait Bitsy Bug.
Bleeding?
No, it's not really bleeding. A Bitsy Bug. Another Bitsy Bug. What do you know? Another Bitsy Bug. Oh, no way. Another Bitsy Bug. Little Ripple Shad counter baits. Oh, another Bitsy Bug. Yum June Bug Dingers. And Green Pumpkin Blue Flake Yum Dingers.
Ew.
Yeah, ew.
See you next time.
Okay, press end.